What's up, everybody? Today's video should be, you know what I'm saying, a good one because you get to see me again, and I know that's a blessing. I understand this, bro. I understand that. I'm like, yo, Zosh, upload. I'll be like, yo, I'm already upload when you say upload. So you know what? Today, I might not even upload this video because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just playing. I know what I'm But for today's video, hopefully, I can successfully do my first ever radio tuck. I got my plate right here. Not my plate. Yeah, my plate. I got my I got my block off plate, son, so I can get rid of my freaking falling out every time I do a pool radio. I broke all the radio tabs anyway, so the radio just sags a little. I can't pull out my my thing for my drinks or whatever. What is it called, man? See, what am I talking about? I can't pull out my can. What is it called, bro? I'm not even gonna edit this out. This is what I go through when I try to make a video. This is what I go through. What is it called, bro? When you pull out the thing and you put your drinks in it. Cup holder. Was stupid, son. I can't even pull out my cup holder because my radio was so heavy and it broke the tabs, so it sags like this. And it's every time I hit the little push thing to bring out the cup holder, it don't come out until I have to like manually like yank that, like I'm putting to crank up a lawnmower or something, like I'm living in 90. Ooh, that hurt. So today we're gonna hopefully be radio deleting. It's probably like a 2-day video because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And I also got my rear wiper plug delete, son, so I can get rid of that freaking back dinosaur Antarctica thing looking. Huh? So let's get today's video started, son. I'm out. I don't know why I thought that'd be cool. Like, oh, what that is. So before we start the process of deleting the radio, we're not deleting the radio, we're just gonna tuck it into the glove box or whatever. But first things first, getting rid of this crap. Like, look how, bro, if you look, just look at this thing, son. Like, you can see that thing so far away, bro. It's so obnoxious. But no need to fear. Wiper delete plug is here. This is the part number in case you guys looking to do the same thing on your rear wiper. If yours suddenly stopped working or you just want to go for the clean look, this is the part number. Alright, cool. So let's delete this thing. After you screw this little nut off, that comes off, and then you use this. This is a 15/16. I don't know what this relates to in metric. Probably like a 20. I have no idea. So all I have is this, and it works. Loosen that up like just like that, bro. You're gonna loosen it just like that, bro. Yee. This nut thing right here comes off, and then this comes off. So now that we got this off, we're gonna pop the trunk because actually I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. So we're gonna find out once I get this off. Okay, so you remove this. This is basically. It covers your window motor for the wiper. Yeah, this is Aztec green, B. This ain't the original hatch on my car. If you've been following my channel forever, this is probably like my 6th or maybe 12th hatch I've ever had. No, I'm exaggerating. It's probably like my 80th. Is that rust? No. It's over there too, son. But yeah, so after you have this thing off, all you have to do is drop this, which is what 10mm there and the 10mm there, and I'll connect some pins. I'm just gonna delete this whole thing because I don't need it. But yeah, so you're gonna have a 10 there, 10 there, and if you want, you can remove this with like a regular Phillips or whatever. It's not zooming in, but yeah. So let's get this taken care of. After you remove those screws, you should have this right here just dangling, you know what I'm saying? Just dangling. Yeah, so you just want to unpin it from here, and then this should just come out. If I'm not mistaken, I don't want to crack the damn windshield, but I'm pretty sure. Wait, maybe that don't come out. Maybe I'm just supposed to plug it from up top. I have no idea what the hell I'm supposed to do right now. But basically, this is what you get left with, and I'm going to figure it out and let y'all know. I'm pretty sure just a rubber piece up top, and that whole thing just dropped. So you might want to just get rid of that right there, and then that whole thing right here should just drop too because it's just a rubber grommet. I'm just going to take a 10mm to here, drop this little bracket or whatever, and then get rid of this, and then this whole thing is just out of here, son. Well, when you get to this part of the thing, right, that little screw comes loose. Shout out to the dead lizard over there, but I might get demonetized. Yeah, that thing just it's like one of these things, like one of these right here. Hold up. It's like one of those crap, so that could just come off, get your little trusty little needle nose babies, and then you just hope I don't crack my windshield. I mean my rear window, but you just want to. Okay, I'm just showing y'all before I crack something. You just want to do like this and then pull it through, then you're done. So let me do that real quick before I crack this in half or whatever. And here it is, son. It is deleted. Ooh, we got a clean little glory hole right here, B. We got a glory hole right here, son. Yeah, let's plug it up, though. I just now deleted the, what is that, third brake light or whatever? Yeah, I ain't need it. It's whatever. I might just keep all this stuff out. I think I'm just gonna keep it like this and just paint this black, like how I did this, but actually add some clear coat, because this is like hot garbage. Like straight garbage. Like this is horrible. Like, I don't know why I haven't got this fixed yet, bro. Oh yeah, the lizard dead. You probably can see him. No, you can't. Oh, there, that's him? Yeah, that's him. I seriously gotta get this fixed ASAP. I mean, all I gotta do is cut it like a little square out and weld some sheet metal over it, but I don't know how to weld, and Randy's uncle's not available anymore, so I don't know what to do, bro. Ugh. Oh, and for the plug, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You just want to put it in the hole. Can I put it in the damn hole? It's hard filming and putting something in the hole, right? You know what I'm saying? I don't know how other people do this for a living. Like, how do you put something in a hole and film it? And it's raining. Ripperino. Well, at least I got everything done. That's plugged up. I just gotta pick this crap up, but it's raining. I can't get my camera wet. Yeah, due to the rain, and it's about to get dark because I did start to film around 5 o'clock because you know your boy's stupid. So I'm gonna have to finish the video tomorrow, but at least I got one thing done. This is the part number for the block off plate. 77240-SOX-. And this is the part you get, son. You get a double damn radio delete, B. Well, block off plate, that's what it's called. Not delete, it's called the radio block off plate. All the JDM cars got this, bro. Like the Type R, I think. I'm pretty sure the Type R came with this. Actually, I'm not too sure what the hell this came with, but I just know it's sick. It'll definitely gives it more of a clean look too, so that's why I got it. And it was only 30 bucks on eBay, so I ain't tripping. So it's the next day, and your boy got that true Japanese parts, bro. True Japanese. So soon your boy will be installing these. I'm probably gonna have a shop do it because I don't trust myself drilling through that hood, and it's all that. I really don't trust myself, so I'm gonna have to pull I almost said a famous YouTuber name, but you guys can probably get it, you know what I'm saying? But it's true though, I don't want to mess it up, so I'd rather just pay somebody to get it done properly instead of me ruining my hood and stuff like that. But anyways, let's get started with completing this radio tuck block off plate majig hig. So let's get it. Now we are in the cabin, and I'm gonna show you guys what's going on. So look, I push this back, nothing, right? I lift up, it pops out. Hit it again, lift up, and it pops out. Obviously because this stuff is broken, as you guys can see, like this whole thing is just broken. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these two and then place the plate in there. So we're gonna remove these two and then take everything from here, put this right here, this little radio, and drill some holes through here or whatever so I can run the power cord or whatever, I guess. I don't know if I'm doing this shit right, but hopefully I am. So let's get into it. I got that all cleaned out, all over here on my freshly vacuumed carpet. Yo, my interior look on point, son. Like, yo, I'm gonna get some nice shot from the outside of this, bro. I look cool as hell. I'll park my car like at a Walmart or something. People gonna look inside the car and be like, damn, bro, he only got one seat, bro. Yo, he must be a race car driver, bro. You work for NASCAR, bro? You do 8,500 on weekends, bro? Mario Kart racing, bro? Yo, look at my face, bro. Alright, so first things first, son, we're gonna disconnect this right here, put this in her, and then like drill some shit around her, and then yeah. I guess it's that easy, right? Well, you know me, you know I gotta mess something up, so let's see what I can mess up today, son. Let's see how I can ruin my car today, B. Looks like this video is not happening because, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit, bro. This is probably not helping nothing by me doing this. But it does not fit. At least I can open my cup holder though. That's insightful. This video and my last video are both L's. This is not good. Something bad's about to happen to me very soon. I got a feeling, bro. 2 L's in a row. Something's about to happen. I feel like my third L is gonna be like me getting exploited or exposed for something. I don't know. I don't do nothing, so I mean, I don't know. Well, I found my third L, so I tried to put in my block off plate or whatever, and all the tabs are broken. Like all the tabs where I can mount this thing up is broken. So I have okay, so that wasn't supposed to happen like that. Okay, not again. So this is my problem. I have nowhere to actually mount the damn thing because hashtag broken dash. This is how it would look like though. It looks something like this, which is, I think, is pretty cool. It adds a little aesthetic to it, makes it look simple and clean, even though it looks like there's 6 different type of blacks and grays going on in my interior. But hey, I think it looks awesome. Now there's a simple way to fix both my issues. Well, one of my issues. I can fit the radio if I trim and cut a little bit of my glove box. What is it called? Glove box or glove department? But that's what I can do. I can just cut like a little portion out of it or trim it down or whatever just so I can make more room and it'll work. Which I think I'm gonna do because these only like what, 15, 20 bucks anyway. So, and mine's already in bad condition. Not bad condition, but like, it's seen better days. So I might just do that just to fit the radio in there. I could just buy a smaller radio, but it's a waste of money, bro. Use what you got or fabricate what you don't got and make it work so you can have what you got. Damn, that was like kind of motivational, right? I felt like Oprah Winfrey. Alright, so we're gonna get to cutting, son. Screw it. YOLO amigo, bro. 2018, bro. No L's are gonna be caught this video. Watch me insert like the little Law and Order thing and like, dun dun, he did catch an L. But let's give it a shot, I guess. So this is what I'm going to use to do my little cut outline incision. That white streak you see is basically what I'm going to cut. And yeah, it should work. Hopefully it'll work. I think it'll work. What y'all think? I should not do this, right? You right. You right. YOLO, amigo! I really wish I had like a tripod to show you guys this stuff. So I'm sorry, man. But it didn't fit, so I gotta cut a little bit more. Alright, boy. Time to install my K-Tune shifter box. Making great progress, son. Now I just gotta cut. Oh, Lord. Now I just gotta cut some more of this side, and we should be golden, boys. We should be golden. Cut the other piece. Let's see if it works. Which it is, because I already tried it, so I just wanted to act like I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But, boom! Oh yeah. Now I gotta make sure when I put the faceplate back on it will actually clear. So let me try that real quick. Alright, faceplate back on. Can we clear? Can we clear? Damn it, I gotta cut a little bit more in the back now. I might gotta cut that whole back thing because I still gotta figure out how I'm gonna put the harness in. Oh crap. Well, at least I was close. I was close. Well, let it clear if I do that. Then I won't have a damn knob. So that's gay, but I'm gonna fix it up real quick though. Okay, so I got it plugged in. I got the whole radio plugged in. Let's actually see if it works. Okay, it works. We don't know for sure that it works, you know what I'm saying? Play some CD. Okay, we booming. Now the only problem I'm having right now is keeping this stationary because when I go up, right? It moves, and then when it moves, it hits something. So what I have to figure out is how do I keep this from not moving? I need to keep this like right here. I wish I had like a little thing, or like it just like keep it like that. I can't drill on the side of it due to no drilling mount, so I have no idea what I'm going to do to fix it. But you know your boy gonna come up with something. I am a fabricator of life, son. I graduated Harvard University fabricating, you know what I'm saying? That's what I do. But that's pretty much it, though. I got it, son. I kind of got it, B. I made it work, son. A little Dremel tool went to work. If you're looking for a Dremel, man, I highly recommend the Dremel 4000. This bad boy cold, son. This thing is cold. So I decided to drop the whole glove box. It's only 4 screws, 2 there, and 2 there, but I only had 1 in each. So it was only 2 screws for me. But this is what I have right here. Now all I have to do here is just drill a screw from there into there, and then it'll be mounted fine where it won't move, and then I'll be straight. Now should you go through all this just to keep your radio and have a dope radio block off plate? No, because there's much easier ways to do this, but you know me, bro. Y'all know I don't do stuff the easy way, son. You know what I'm saying, son? I know some people in the comments like, yo, Zosh, bro, you could have just did it this way to save you all that time, bro. But I don't know, man. I kind of like doing this type of stuff. Like, it's pretty cool of me just cutting up my glove box and ruining the OEM-ness, but this shit is just straight gunk anyway, so it's all cool. So let me drill a screw through this thing so I can probably short out the radio, because I know I might hit like the motherboard or something. So, yup, got my aimbot going for all my Call of Duty people out there. You like that aimbot? Yeah, perfect little hole. Nice little glory hole, son. Now we're just gonna put a screw and mess up the radio so I can go to Best Buy and buy a new one. So let's do it. So I found some little, I don't know what kind of screw I found. I have no idea. But I found a screw and I just drilled a hole through the radio using that bit. And also using that, I drilled through this, and then it don't move. So now the real test is to see if I ruined the motherboard by drilling into the frame and possibly getting some shrapnels all over the I guess boards or whatever, circuit boards. But other than that, boy, it ain't moving, boy. It ain't moving, son. All right, so I got the glove box back on with the screws. Oh no, it's hitting that back thing. Yo, what if I delete that, son? What if I cut it in half? Oh, but yeah, it's not gonna close because it's hitting that, the back of the radio. It's hitting against that. Okay, so I know what y'all thinking. Zosh, bro, what the hell is you doing? I know, bro, I know. I don't got nothing to say. I'm cutting into this because this is where it's hitting. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it on here, but it's hitting right there. So I just gotta cut a brace of that off so it can clear. Now, should he go through all this to freaking duck a radio? No, but Zosh built. So my Dremel started to say yeet, so I pulled out the big boy. I pulled out the big daddy. And I cut the whole little bar off. I don't know if it'll clear because this is my first time actually trying to see, but it should though. God damn it, still don't clear. It still does not. How does it not clear, bro? Maybe if I just trim this up. Nah, I ain't gonna touch it. Nope, not touching it. Nah, that's it. So that's complete. Let's hook up everything and see if I actually still have a radio. Brief intermission. Cousin Sco pulled up, said what up to the fam, and his car died. Well, battery is like completely dead on the truck. I don't know why I said car. All right, so I got everything plugged up again. All right, here we go. Let's see. Boom. Yes. Yo, that's a real reaction too, because usually I do it first and say let's do it, but I'm giving y'all the real truth. It actually turned on, son. All right, so let's see. CD bumping. Yo, yo. Hey.
This for all my progressive thinkers. Yeah. Cautious with the image that I'm giving. What used to be appealing is the shit that I'm presenting. Feel like I ain't living, I'm dealing with so much. On the low, I'm acting tough, but I ain't been happy in a minute.
Now it's time to re-vacuum out the car. But your boy got the music blasting out there. I got the block off plate in. Am I JDM AFO yet? Looks so good, bro. Like, it's coming along. It is coming along. Like, I understand the carpet looks like a tannish color, but in person it doesn't look that bad. I mean, it kind of does, but I'm gonna put like some floor mats in here, like some black floor mats or whatever. But the cockpit doesn't look that bad at all now. Now I just gotta worry about fixing on the exterior side of things. Yo! So that's pretty much it for this video. Time to wrap things up, son. Hope you guys enjoyed it first and foremost. If you did, leave a like on the video, man. Shows me that y'all care and whatnot. I know I probably made a lot of you guys cringe or whatever the hell you get upset about when people install something on their car. I don't know. But it works, bro. Everything works. The radio works. I mean, sure, I just made my car go from, well, shit was already a rebuilt / salvage / Zosh built title. Now it's auto salvage. What? But that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you guys shortly with another one. Catch all the next one, son. I'm out. Peace.